what's up YouTube? Just we're here at Wassy. What is this?
Wassy Corners.
We're here at Wassy Corners, just getting some fuel out here in Callander. Gonna be doing a ride around Lake Nippissing, Ontario. Anyway, here we go. Well, we're out in the middle of nowhere here. Bunch of farmland, bunch of hay, and all kind of fun stuff like that. Anyway, there's Paul. I'm gonna put a link to his YouTube channel if you want to check him out. He's got some pretty cool truck videos on there. Well, here's where we are anyway. Check this out. We rode through some construction on our way here. Think I gotta fill those holes? Yeah, I think so. My jacket was covered, frig, even my helmet's covered in that friggin' crap. We're here, checking out something different here along the way. Feel a bit, oh my god, feel this thing sway. See? Look at this, guys. See all this movement in this video? That ain't me, that's the bridge. This thing is swaying like a bugger. You know what? This place is friggin' beautiful out here, man. It really is.